let's go. Well, it's been a while since I've made a video that actually has any audio. Fuck you, dog. I love dogs, but that corgi's an asshole. Surprisingly warm this morning, which I didn't expect. So a few of you are probably wondering why I'm on a frickin' old rickety CRF rather than my CBR. The answer is I don't know. I'm just kidding. This thing is so much more fun around the city. Obviously I want to learn how to wheelie. It's a bit hard on the CBR since it's so heavy. So I bought a CRF. For being a hoodlum. So the CBR weighs about like 200 kilos. This weighs like sub 100 kilos. Obviously one cylinder, all the torque. So it's a bit of an animal, don't get me wrong, it's not the easiest thing in the world to ride. One thing I haven't learned yet is how to filter with this thing. Obviously I still got the CBR, it's at home. In the garage. I could have brought it out, but this is still quite a new purchase, so I'm still enjoying the sumo life at the moment. I didn't buy it to replace the CBR. The CBR is my main like commuting, traveling, and road bike. So I'm going to do any kind of distance. So I just bought this for around town and short journeys. I work about 7 miles away from the house, depending on which way I take. So that's what I bought it for. This thing needs an oil change every like 10 hours. So obviously crosses work over hours rather than mileage, because half the time they don't have a speedo or a clock, odometer. Just if you guys didn't know, which I'm sure most of you do, but for the new people, the motorcycles. Where the speedo comes in handy. So yeah, I'm looking at starting the whole YouTube scene again. I haven't posted anything on there for a very long time. With audio, like this kind of video. Simply because I just kind of lost track of what I was doing. And a few other things in life. But I'm looking to get back on it and start making a few more random fucking videos again. If there's anything in particular that you want to see, obviously just let me know. But come on, lights. I hate the clutch on this thing. It's so weird and stiff. Like you're probably gonna ride it. I'm sure there's aftermarket clutches you can get. But the bike is exactly how I bought it at the moment. Apart from one side was white and one side had graphics on, as you can see down there. But I put all graphics on it at the moment. sorted out a bit of the wiring where they were all not heat shrinked and just literally exposed wire, so I sorted that out straight away, so we shouldn't get any electrical problems. Hopefully, touch wood. Come on, Mr. Maserati. There's not a lot that would beat this thing off the mark. Top end, oh yeah, chill over me. But this thing feels fast compared to my TBR. That's all I'm saying. And it loves lifting the front and third, so it definitely got some juice in it, to say the least. Look at this traffic. No one wants traffic. Nice A4, bro. Wait, S6? I feel that's a lie. I thought S6 had dual rear exit. Fuck them. Okay. But this thing is just so much fun to fuck around on. While you're a million miles away from the roundabout. Oh, there's so much traffic. Nothing I can do about school kids crossing a crossing. Motherfucker, all the spaces are taken. I'll do. Oops. Ta-da! We're home. Jokes are at work. I want to kill myself.